Two-stroke power with Enduro capability? Yamaha just raised the bar and trail riders everywhere are paying attention. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Yamaha YZ250X, a machine built for riders who crave adventure beyond the beaten path. Design. The YZ250X carries Yamaha's aggressive styling that looks fast standing still. The slim, lightweight chassis is purposefully built for navigating tight trails and technical terrain. Sharp graphics, a narrow profile, and functional ergonomics make this bike both visually striking and rider-focused. Every element serves a purpose here. Form truly follows function. Performance. That 250cc two-stroke engine delivers punchy, responsive power that experienced trail riders will absolutely love. The wide-ratio transmission handles everything from slow technical sections to high-speed fire roads effortlessly. Suspension tuning is specifically optimized for enduro conditions, soaking up roots, rocks, and rough terrain while maintaining excellent control. This is a bike that inspires confidence when the trail gets challenging. Features and technology. Yamaha keeps things purposeful. You get an 18-inch rear wheel for better traction, an electric starter for convenience, and a larger fuel tank for extended range. The lightweight aluminum frame and refined power valve system represent years of racing development. It's focused, effective engineering without unnecessary complexity. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250X proves that two strokes remain incredibly relevant. It's lightweight, powerful, and built for serious off-road adventures. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Let us know in the comments. If this review helped you, smash that like button, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. See you next time.